Rev up your engines and buckle your seatbelts because today we're diving headfirst into the world of cars. From mind-blowing speed records to quirky car facts, we've got it all covered. Get ready for a wild ride through the fascinating world of automobiles. Can you believe it? Only a mere 18% of Americans have mastered the art of driving a manual transmission vehicle. It's like finding a unicorn on the road. The German Autobahn is like the highway to heaven for speedsters. No limits, just pedal to the metal. Tesla, the ultimate underdog, kicked Toyota off its throne in 2020. Go electric power. Cars spend 96% of their lives chilling, parked, and soaking up the sun. Ladies rule the road. Women make 62% of new car purchases in the USA. Girl power. In Utah, deer are apparently more afraid of drivers than hunters. 6 deer per mile? That's Bambi's worst nightmare. Electric Porsches in 1898? Way ahead of their time. Take that, Taycan. Whale oil in car transmissions? Yikes, that's one way to make the ocean mammals nervous. The 1989 Honda Prelude with 4-wheel steering? Talk about a dance floor on wheels. The Moose Test at 53 mph? Citroën Xantia is the boss of lane-changing agility. Switzerland takes speeding seriously. $1 million for a speedster? That's some costly adrenaline. Cambodian currency featuring cars? Vroom vroom money style. 1.3 billion cars worldwide. San Marino must be the ultimate car lover's paradise. Batman's got style with a Lamborghini Murcielago. Even his car screams, "I'm Batman." 30,000 car components? That's like putting together a gigantic automotive puzzle. Ferrari 250 GTO as art? No replicas allowed. This car's a masterpiece. Rolls-Royces never retire, they just keep on rolling. 75% still in action. That's some classy longevity. Car comes from Karis? Who knew it had such ancient origins? Car thefts every 45 seconds? Honda Accords are like catnip for car thieves, apparently. Dashboards as mud shields? Horse-drawn carriages were the original off-roaders. Waiting at red lights? That's 5 months of our lives spent daydreaming. Over 70 million new cars a year? China's got the pedal to the metal in car production. Roger Moore, the real 07 got a deal on Lotus cars. Licensed to thrill. Daniel Craig's Aston Martin deal? James Bond's got the ultimate perk. Lamborghini's police car? It had the need for speed, but it also had a date with destiny. Traffic congestion costs a whopping $160 billion a year? That's a lot of spare change. Chevrolet was the DJ of the road with the first car radio in 1922. Toyota Corolla, the people's champ, 44 million units sold and counting. Hyundai Tucson, the Walking Dead edition. Zombie apocalypse-ready cars, anyone? USA, the land of cars. 270 million vehicles and counting. Driving a 1928 Rolls-Royce for 82 years? That's a commitment. Mercedes and the Moose Test hiccup? Delayed Smart for 2 launch? Oops. Early Fords with Dodge Brothers parts? It's like a secret handshake in the car world. 1 horsepower lifts 550 pounds 1 foot in 1 second? Horses would be proud. Flamethrower car anti-theft device? Johannesburg takes carjacking defense to the next level. Electric, steam, and gasoline cars, oh my. The 1900s were a diverse auto era. Choosing public transport might keep you 5 pounds lighter. Bonus fitness plan. Chevrolet's founder, Louis Chevrolet, didn't hit the jackpot. Life's full of surprises. Koenigsegg Trevita with diamond dust. Talk about a blinged out car. VW Currywurst. Forget cars. Sausages are the real stars. Bill Gates waited 13 years to drive his Porsche. That's patience, Bill. Right side driving for 65% of the world. Lefties unite on the other side. Airbags inflate in a flash. Blink and you'll miss it. Literally. American cars in the 60s were like build your own adventure with 24 defects per vehicle. Ford's Model T production speed, 1 car every 24 seconds. Talk about an assembly line. Cruise Control's blind inventor Ralph Teeter, he was on cruise control of innovation. Norway's front-wheel drive confusion? Oops, it's a rear-wheel drive world. Denmark, the car shopper's wallet's worst enemy. But hey, Danish cars must be worth it. Leonardo da Vinci's car sketch in 1478? He was the original car visionary. More cars than people in Los Angeles? It's like living in a giant parking lot. Bill Cosby's got a need for speed with the Shelby Cobra Super Snake. Bentley's Bentayga has more lines of code than your computer. It's a car and a tech marvel. Pagani Huayra's $112,000 titanium bolts? Bling bling for the Speed King? Hong Kong's Rolls-Royce obsession? Classy rides for a classy city. The last 1983 Corvette standing? It's the unicorn of Corvettes. Irvin Gordon, the ultimate road warrior. 3,739,722 miles in a 1966 Volvo. That's dedication. Countach means I'm amazed. Italians are easily impressed, it seems. British traffic police and teddy bears, keeping kids calm in the midst of road chaos. 16% of car owners skip car washes. They're too busy enjoying the open road. Henry Ford, the car wizard, tried 8 car models before hitting gold with the Model T Bugatti Veyron's tire time limit. It's like a countdown to speed. Car recycling, Mother Earth's favorite game of reuse and recycle. 3 to 4 accidents in a lifetime? Buckle up and drive safe. 65% of the world drives on the right side of the road, that is. Bugatti owners, the ultimate car collectors. They've got more cars and jets than we've got shoes. Renault's F4RT engine, revving with humor. Smart Roadster and Porsche 911 sharing a wheelbase. Talk about a family resemblance. BMW 1 Series owners with front-wheel drive delusions. Whoops, back it up. Self-propelled carriages were the eco-friendly pioneers of their time. No horse mess. Carl Benz, the OG car inventor, he sparked a revolution. The 55 mph speed limit during the oil crisis? Time to slow down and save gas. The Volkswagen Beetle, aka the Beetle, aka the Bug. It's a car with many names. Bugatti Veyron's $1 million bargain? What a steal. Alfa Romeo GT V6 versus Giorgito Giugiaro? That's a designer showdown. The Grand Tour almost going by Nigel? What a smashing name that would have been. Volvo, the odometer champ. 6 figures and still going strong. Koenigsegg Trevita and Diamond Dust. For the super rich car enthusiast. Denmark, the land of the car-buying elite. Leonardo da Vinci's 1478 car vision. He was the original car guru. More cars than people in Los Angeles? It's a traffic jam party. Bill Cosby's speedy Cobra Super Snake, one cool ride. Bentley's Bentayga, a car with a computer smarter than most of us. Pagani Huayra's titanium bolts. The cars bling on a budget. Hong Kong, the land of Rolls Royces. Class on every street corner. The last 1983 Corvette. The ultimate collector's item. Irvin Gordon, the mileage maestro. 3,039,022 miles and counting. Countach, the Italian way to say, I'm amazed. We're amazed too. British traffic police and teddy bears, spreading comfort one accident at a time. 16% of car owners never wash their rides. A dirty little secret. Henry Ford, the car magician, he tried all the tricks before the Model T Bugatti Veyron's tire time bomb. 15 minutes of speed fame. Car recycling, because even cars deserve a second chance. 3 to 4 accidents in a lifetime. Drive safe and keep your bumper intact. 65% of the world drives on the right side. Who needs a left turn anyway? Bugatti owners living the dream, with an average of 84 cars and 3 jets. Renault's F4RT engine, it's fast and it's funny. Smart Roadster and Porsche 911 sharing a wheelbase. 2 legends, 1 frame. BMW 1 Series owners and their front-wheel drive mix-up. Easy to mistake, right? Early carriages, making the streets cleaner, 1 wheel at a time. Carl Benz, the original car patent holder, he paved the way for all of us. 101, the Grand Tour show nearly going by the name Nigel. Nigel would have been quite the driver. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the incredible and quirky world of cars. From electric power to ancient origins, we've covered it all. Thanks for joining us on this ride. And remember, the road is full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Stay tuned for our next adventure on the road. Drive safe, everyone.